Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to allow Instagram access to photos. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. For example, if you want to share some photo or if you want to post some photo on Instagram and you need to allow Instagram access to your gallery, all you need to do is to open your iPhone settings. Here it is. Then you need to scroll down and find privacy and security option. Here it is. Then you need to scroll down again and find photos option right up here. Then you will see different applications. All you need to do is to find Instagram application. Here it is. And then you will see 3 different options. If you want to allow Instagram full access to your photos, you need to click on the last option, full access, then full access again, and then you will allow Instagram access to all your photos. Or you can choose specific photos to allow Instagram access by clicking on the second option. Here it is. And then you can choose specific photos and videos, for example these photos, and then click on the done button at the top right. Or if you want to edit selected photos, you need to click on this blue button, edit selected photos. So and that's all, and that's how to allow Instagram access to photos. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.